Hello guys, welcome to another video of the BBMS question series. Today we are going to talk about the question set 29. So in previous video we have discussed about the maximum, minimum and the count function in database. So today we are going to talk about the rounders and the average function in database. Okay, now first question we are asking, find the overall marks obtained by the students in all the subjects in the first term to the integer. Okay, before going to the question, if you have any question about the DBMS question series, just watch the channel and get an idea. If you do not have any about the question sets, just watch the question set 20 and get an idea about what's going on this question series. Okay, when talking about the question, here they are asking to find the all marks obtained by the students in all the subject in the first term to the integer. Here to the integer means we have to round up the answers we take. Okay, when using round up function in database, we have to write round phrase here. As you can see, I have used the round function here. Here I have round the mark column from the mark exam record. And here I have checked whether the term name is first term. Okay. Then when I execute the query, here you can see that you can get the answer. If you delete this round function here, then if you execute the query, here you can get like this. You can get the decimal points as well as like this. So to avoid these decimal points, we use round function for that. Okay, when I enter round function and when I execute the query, here you can get all the answers from the whole number. There won't be any decimal numbers after the number. So we are using round function to remove decimal numbers and get the results in whole numbers. So in our second question, they are asking, find the average two decimal places in the marks obtained by the student for the first term mathematics subject. Okay, now they are asking an average and we have to find the average into two decimal places. So when finding the average into two decimal places, we have to use the round function and we have to find the average. Therefore, we have to use the average function here. Okay. So when writing, okay. Now when writing here, I have used two functions. As you can see, I have used the round function and the average function. Here I had used a bracket to get the round, and here I didn't use a bracket to sort out the average. Here I have with the average from the mark table. Then I have round to the two decimal places because they are asking to get the answer to two decimal places. Therefore, I have used this 2 here. As you can see, this means how many decimal places that you are going to take from the answer. Here I have used the condition as first term and the subject name is mathematics. So when I execute the query, here you can get the answer. If I change the 2 into 1, then I will get like this. Here you can see you will get only one decimal case. So when I change it to 2, so it will give the answer into two decimal places. Therefore, when setting decimal places, we have to use the number after the record. So in our third question, they are asking, what is the lowest mark obtained for science subject in all term examinations of 4 students in the class 11K? Okay, now we have to find a minimum here. Therefore, here, as you can see, I have used the select minimum function here. I have selected the minimum marks from the student exam mark record table where the class mean is 3.8, and I have enjoyed all the tables together. Therefore, we can easily write this query like this. When I execute the query, here we can get the result that you want. Okay, in our fourth question, they are asking, find the average of the marks obtained in Amanda Moses' second term mathematics, science, and single language and literature. Okay, now, so we have to find an average here. So again, we have to use the average function here. Then I had join over the tables to get the tables together. Then I have used in phrase here to sort out the three subjects, as you can see, single, science, and mathematics. Here I get the average for over the three subjects. So when I execute the query, then you will get the answer. Okay, in the fifth and the final question, they are asking, find the average to two decimal places in the marks obtained by the students in class 11K in the second term for the subjects. Okay, again we have to use the roundup function and the average function here. Here again I have used both functions here. As you can see, I have rounded up to two decimal places, and in my conditions I have checked whether the term name is second term and the class name is 11A. And here I have enjoyed the tables student, class, and student exam record tables to that. When I execute the query, there you will get the answer. If you want to change the decimal places, then I change it to three decimal places and execute the query. Here you can get the answer into three decimal places. So this is the end of my video. Thank you.